Hi everyone, welcome back to Soft-Spoken Scientists. Today we're going to learn how to graph linear equations using slope-intercept form, which is the equation y equals mx plus b. If graphing lines actually has ever felt stressful or confusing, don't worry, we're going to slow everything down. I'll show you exactly how to find the slope, how to plot the y-intercept, and how to build the entire line using simple rise and run steps with some fractions involved. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's learn this together. So first off, this is the formula that you guys should know, y equals mx plus b. M equals the slope, okay? B is the y-intercept, and this has the formula, or the standard of 0, comma b, also known as 0, comma the y number, y-intercept, all right? So keep those in mind. And it's where the line crosses the y-axis. All right, so we have y equals 2x plus 1. Remember, m is the slope, and m equals 2, the number in front of x. B is y-intercept, and b would equal 1. That's all they were trying to trick you with. Slope and m are the same thing. Y-intercept and b are literally fancy words for the same thing, all right? So we have a positive 1. I know that this is positive. Well, I know this is the y-axis in pink, right? I know the black that you guys see right here. That's all the x-axis. And I know that this is negative. They wrote it that it's negative x. This is negative y's. You see those with the stars. They have minus signs on them. So I'm going to go up by 1 and plot it because you have to start with your y-intercept. Now, I see that I have a 2x. Remember, this is invisible 1 right here. It's 2 over 1. I'm going to rise by 2. 1, 2. And I'm going to run by 1. Boop. So I'm going to put a plot right here. I'm going to drag that out. Right? Add my arrows, and I plotted it. So that's the line. Not too bad, right? So if I wanted to label it, I would say, okay, 1, comma 3 for the x and the y. Let's do the next one. We have y equals negative 1/2 x plus 4. I'm going to begin by plotting the 4. I'm going to go down by 1 because it's a negative number. So I'm not going to rise over run. I'm going to, I have to go down now. So I'm going to de-escalate by 1 and then go to the right by 2. See, even if it's positive or negative, you still go to the right. Okay, so that would be x would be 2, y would be 1. So it would be 2, comma 3. And then I can just plot it. But before I do, I'll just do another example for you guys. Then I'm going to go down by 1, which is 2 for my y. And I'm going to go to the right by 2. 1, 2. So by doing that, I'm at 4, comma 2. And plot that right there. And then I can draw my line. And that's how you do that. So your y-intercept, or your b, either one you can say, is 4. Your slope is just the number in front of x, negative 1/2. And m is a fancy way of saying slope. Done. Done. No units, no nothing. Now you have y equals 3x minus 2. Start with negative 2 on the y, because this is the y-axis, all of that straight line down. Boop. And then I have 3x. So I'm going to go up by 3. 1, 2, 3, because there's a 0 right here. Okay. And I'm just going to erase that 0. There we go. All right. Now I went up by 3, and I got to go to the right by 1. Boop. Right there. And again, 1, 2, 3, to the right by 1. And then you can just plot it. It's hard to plot it. Like, I'm not the best at drawing these out, because I don't have all that fancy stuff just yet. But if I wanted to plot it, Let's just say I want to plot just 2. Your teacher just wants 2 plots from you. I can just erase that, and then that would be your answer. All right. Now we have y equals 3/4 x minus 5. I'm going to plot my y-intercept first, which is -5. I'm going to go up by 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to the right by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to plot it right there. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Right there. So tiny, isn't it? And then you could just draw it like that. It's a little bent, but it's still straight. So your M was 3/4. Your B was -5. Yeah, drawing can be a bit of a doozy on here. Now you have y equals 2x plus 1/3. I know 1/3 is, as a decimal, 0.33. Well, then I'm not going to put a dot at 1, but I still got to plot the 0.33. So I'm going to zoom in and say, estimate is right around there. And then I had to go up by 2. So 1.33, 2.33, and I had to go to the right by 1 because this is over 1. Boop. Now I'm going to draw my line through it. And guess what? Well, 0.33 is my B, my M is 2, and I'm done. That wasn't too bad, I would hope. And that's how to graph linear equations, okay, using slope-intercept form. Once you understand how slope and the y-intercept work together, drawing a line becomes a simple, calm, step-by-step process, even when fractions are involved. If this lesson helped you feel more confident, please give the video a like and subscribe for more gentle, clear math videos. Thank you so much for learning with me today. And remember, STEM is for everybody, especially you. Let's get it.